Hi everyone, my name is Jana and I'm dealing with property in Abu Dhabi, and today we are on Reem Island, and I would like to show you one new project, very interesting and new concept which had never been before in Abu Dhabi. And today we are in the office of the developer. Come on.
My name is Aboud. I'm the senior sales manager here in Object One. I'm happy to have you here today and to host you, and I will explain all about the projects from the plot to the position of the tower. Then we're gonna move to the showroom apartment, and I will explain all the material, the finishing, the sizes, amenities, facilities, and all types. All right. First of all, this is Yafina Bridge from As-Salam Highway. All right, to enter to Reem. The first thing you will find is Reem Hills, right?
Yep.
Over here, there is the first signal to enter to Reem Island, right? Next to it, there is French Sorbonne University. Our plot just next to it, over here, right?
Okay.
This is our plot over here. This is Sorbonne University. Over here, Reem Mall. And here we have the White Tower. Our project will be the main entrance facing the White Tower, like 5 minutes walking to Fay Park, like 5 minutes to 10-minute walking to the British Repton School, like 15 minutes walking to a Reem Mall. All right?
Yeah.
And over here, like I are talking about 1-2 minutes to Sorbonne University to Reem Hospital. Right?
Yeah.
Is it clear? So
Absolutely.
here, that's our plot. Sorbonne University, Reem Hospital. From here to here, Repton School, Fay Park. Then we have a Reem Mall. So everything is close to our plot. It's very prime location, easy to enter to a Reem to our project, easy to exit from a Reem, with avoiding that kind of traffic, a lot of signals, and you know usually how it's a Reem Island.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's move to the model.
Yeah.
Right?
So the location is clear. So this is the building.
Yes.
Looks nice. It's low rise.
Yes.
I like low rise buildings.
Yes, it's mid-rise tower.
Yes, mid rise. Okay. Yeah, but still.
We name it Isla Residence, as you can see. This is our main entrance. Main entrance will be opposite White Tower. White Tower will be over here. And from this side over here will be the Sorbonne University.
Okay.
Right? On the back, the other half of the plot and the British School, Repton and Gate Towers. And over here, there is another project with different developer under construction ongoing. Right? We understand now the position of the building.
Yes, it's clear.
It's a basement plus ground floor plus 2 podium plus 17 floors. Right? The project is somehow random and not typical. Right? Like for example, the 1 bedroom has 16 different layouts.
Oh.
Right? There is no studios as you can see here. There is 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartment, simplex, and 2 and 3 duplex. Right? For example, 3 bedroom duplexes, all are coming with private pool.
It's something new for Abu Dhabi market.
Yes, absolutely. For the 2 bedroom duplex, for example, as you can see, there is only one unique over here. It's coming with private pool. Only one unit in the whole project. Very unique.
Oh,
right?
And
Now this one is 3 bedroom duplex.
3 bedroom. Okay.
See, this one 2 bedroom duplex. For example, 2 bedroom simplex, there is only one unit coming here, sky roof, simplex with a private pool. Right?
Yeah.
Let's discuss about facilities, amenities, because I believe that we applied the facilities that should be in G plus 50 or 60, but we make it here in G plus 17 floors. First of all, we have here Sky Infinity Pool. Over here, Sky Garden. Another Sky Garden over here. And come with me on the back to show you a lot of facilities and amenities. As you can see, count with me. Outdoor gym, number 1. Another gym indoor, number 2. Another gym in the roof, number 3. We have play kids area outdoor, number 1. Another one over here indoor, number 2. Another one here as well indoor, number 3. So we are talking about 3 spaces for the kids to play and 3 gym, 2 indoor, other one outdoor. Second pool, it's Olympic pool. Beside the pool that we have here in the sky roof, we have another one.
How many meters long this?
I will share with you the brochure where it has all the measurements, all the sizes of the pool.
But I don't know, 20 meters more.
Around, yes.
Around 20 meters.
Yes,
okay.
correct.
Because it's
We will be having over here cinema, ballroom, gaming room, and clubhouse.
I see.
Right?
So all like common areas are on top,
yes.
and this is like using
This roof, it's a technical roof.
Technical.
Yeah,
okay.
it's a technical roof. So again, for the facilities, amenities over here, sky infinity pool, sky garden, another sky garden over here, outdoor gym, outdoor play kids area, indoor gym, indoor play kids area, Olympic pool, barbecue area, and we have clubhouse, ballroom, gaming room, another gym, and cinema as well. All good so far?
Yes, family orientated and sports
Exactly.
orientated.
Look, you know what we did in this project? Like we merged both visions of investors and end users. So like all investors that they would love to make ROI, high ROI, or very good capital appreciation. Here we go. That's the answer of their questions. If you want to live in as an end user and you're looking for something spacious, comfortable sizes with a nice balconies, mid-rise, kind of luxury high-end finishing, here we go, the answer of your questions.
So, and how do you imagine your potential buyers, your residents of this apartment? Definitely, it's family orientated because of a lot of like kids' room,
absolutely,
everything. So you're not provide studios, so you're not focused on like tourists, let's say.
It's
maybe for like private individuals, for professionals, because it's like business area.
It's not about we don't focus on the visitors. No, it's not about that. It's about like it's a mid-rise tower. We applied that high-end finishing with a luxury lifestyle. Here we are selling a concept of living. It's not about it's not selling property itself, but it's a concept itself. So when we talk about something mid-rise with kind of luxury living with high-end finishing, you will always avoid the studios. That's the point. All right. Okay. So let's move to the showroom apartment. I can explain the materials and the finishing. Okay. Here is our showroom apartment. I will explain all the material and the finishing. First of all, it will not be manual doorknob. It will be smart home system by a French company. They call it Le Grand. All right, Teddy, if you heard the name by any chance before. So it will be controlled by the application from your phone. Even from outside of the country, you can still lock and unlock the door. You can still give access to your visitors with the duration, even like for 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, can control the lock and unlock from the application. Come with me. Here we have very amazing guest toilet, right? The size is very comfortable. As you can see, all the materials for the washrooms, it's from Germany. It's a Gibrit brand.
Здорово. Great.
Yes, indeed. Over here we have 3 doors shelf. This is a shelf. We'll show you here.
Okay. Good.
Sorry, a bite. See, this is usually for ladies to store watches, you know, jewelries, these expensive things. Can even put here like a safety box. This is one of the best options. This is also a normal shelf. And guess what is the good part? The good part, it's the kitchen appliances built up by a very known worldwide brand, Bertazzoni. It's Italian brand. All our projects, we applied the same. It's Bertazzoni.
So it's included, and the
Yes.
customer receive the apartments with all these appliances.
Yes,
Yeah?
kitchen appliance built
It's
up by Bertazzoni. It's an Italian brand. It's well known worldwide, this brand. It's Italian brand, right? The one bedroom is coming with double sink, which is very rare to find in a Reem Island. Usually in a Reem Island, it's only one sink. Here it's double sink, right?
Good.
It's an open kitchen with a mini bar over here. This is the living room. So let me explain properly about this space over here. First of all, this decoration, it will not be there. It's optional. It's extra cost if the client would love to have the same decoration. Otherwise, it will be normal wall. Right?
Is it usable or it's just decoration?
This is a decoration,
It's
but we can do it. We do have.
I mean, maybe some storages or maybe no.
No, this is
It's
decoration.
decoration. Okay.
This is decoration. We do have interior designers in-house, belongs to Object One. It's a one-day work. It's not something big. We can do it, extra cost, optional, because we don't know if the client wants a cinematic TV, small TV, maybe the TV from the other side, maybe. So that's why it's only decoration, right? It will be 3 meter 20 cm from the ground to the ceiling, right? Full glass. The balcony will be covering the entire of the apartment, which means you can access to the balcony from the living room and also from the master room. All right? Even if it's 2-bedroom apartment, you will access the balcony from both rooms plus the living room. If it's 3-bedroom apartment, you can access to the balcony from all the rooms plus the living room. All right?
Yeah.
So all type of units has a balcony which is covering the entire of the apartment. Right?
Yeah.
Let's move to the
clear.
master room.
What is the minimum size of the apartment?
1-bedroom apartment, the smallest one, 818 square foot, 818 square foot, which
So
is
one-
very comfortable
Yes,
size.
it's about it's
We are talking about a Reem
about
Island,
70 square meters, 70 something.
76.
76 square.
Yes, square meter, exactly. Also here will be full glass, 3 meter 20 cm. Over here, this setup, it's only decoration, it's optional. If the client like it, we can make it with extra cost, right? It's optional. Over here, we have the dressing, the lovely dressing, right and left. And over here will be normal wall, right?
Yeah.
So here dressing with 5 doors, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And over here, we have laundry room, powder room,
Good.
powder room over here.
Washing machine is included? Or?
Yes, included.
Okay.
Yes, the washing
Washing
machine
machine
is
is
included. Yes.
Perfect.
Over here,
Oh, so beautiful.
yes,
Whoa.
this is marble setup. Usually in a Reem again, it's very rare to find both options, stand shower and the bathtub. We are applying
Yes.
both
This
options.
is so great.
So here we have the stand shower and the bathtub as well. Double sink, same size, very comfortable size. Right? The spotlights will be the same. In the room also as well, the spotlights will be the same. In the living room as well, the spotlights will be the same. Right? Do you have any questions so far?
Looks amazing.
So
And,
we are talking about high-end finishing.
Yeah.
We are talking about kitchen appliances, Italian brand Bertazzoni. Smart home system by Le Grand company. It's a French company. You can control the lock of the door and the AC, light, and curtains. So it's smart home system by French company, kitchen appliances by Italian brand, right? With high-end finishing, 3 meter and 20 cm to the ceiling, full glass, balcony, to access to the balcony from the entire of the apartment. And yes, here we go.
So the balcony will be like this one big, like large balcony for
Yes.
bathroom and
From the bathroom and
bedroom and living
and the
room.
living room. Yes, correct, 100%.
Okay. And what is the starting prices for now? And when are you expecting to complete this project?
Look, the handover will be Q4 2028. The starting prices that used to be like a weeks ago, like 2-3 weeks ago, which was like 1.7. Right now, no longer available these prices. So right now, one bedroom we have like 2 million, 2.1. Something like that, because we have 16 different layouts from 818 square foot up to 1,100 square foot.
Wow, one bedroom one?
Yes, for the one bedroom. We have 16 different layouts. The project is all like 171 units only. That's why I'm saying it's a luxury lifestyle. It's a concept of living because it's not crowded.
Yeah.
You know, it's a few units, so yeah.
So if you would like to get a presentation of the project and current availability, so just contact us, please, and see you on our channel. Yeah,